Hello, my name is SwissBianco. In this video we will have a look at some more custom splash anodized titanium scales. A while back we made the 91mm size from Victorinox as a replacement scale in different materials. Titanium was one of it, and we had a run made in satin finish, semi-shiny finish top of a titanium version, and some of them I still have in stock, so I did rework the machine that I use for the anodizing. We don't do it with heat, we do it with electricity, with voltage. Remodel that. It was time to fix up. That machine is older than 2005, as we built that from scratch, and then it was time to test out some new know-how, and there basically in front of the camera we have what I did today. So we're gonna have a look. This one here is basically titanium with blue and purple. Because it's so really shiny, it's a bit hard to show on the camera, but I hope you get the idea. Each one of those, by the way, is unique. There is no two alike, because the splash, the finish cannot be made exactly the same. You can get the same colors, but not the same pattern on it. So this one we have more of a bronze with blue purple. The next pair is a mix between different blue, different purple, bronze, and also the titanium, a natural shiny silverish color. See how beautiful that splash looks with all its unique little patterns. The next one is a lighter blue with goldish purple, only a little bit purple, a little bit darker blue, and goldish bronze color. Of course also with the silver titanium, the natural finish. Sometimes I make the splash with the titanium color and sometimes without. It depends, but it adds another color to it. Here we have mainly blue, a nice darker blue with a bit purple, and even a darker purple as well. Next one is in a similar way, but more bronze and darker purple, especially in the middle there. The last one of the top row has a really light color. So starting again with the silver titanium color, we see a bit light gold. We have also light purple, so it's, I would say, more for a spring-like color combination. Really nice, really not strong in the colors there. Soft colors. Of that I did not do much at all. That was a new color combination that I wanna test out, and The next three ones are in a similar way. So here we have a base color in a light green, light blue, light green, darker purple, and so on. Really spring-like color combination, never did that before. Also really light is the next one. So we have here a lot of silver, the titanium color. Then we have some bronze, light gold, light purple color. Next one was also a first try. That has a light purple as a background, as most of it. Also some copper, bronze. We have a darker purple as well, even a little bit towards the dark blue. Then again a bit of combination that I did before, just this time the splash is way more fine. We don't have much coarse pattern on it. It's really fine, really many details on the splash in that blue, gold, purple and silver, titanium and bronze as well. This one is basically two colors, but a third did come in a bit as well. So we have a silver base color, then a light blue, a little bit dark blue and purple in the middle. Then the last one, base color on this one was a light purple, you could say even a pink color, and then we have blue, from light blue, middle blue, darker blue to purple. Here we don't have any silver. That looks amazing. I like that a lot, how that one did turn out. So that was the test for today to make that splash. Now those scales are plus scales, which means they not only hold the toothpick and tweezer, but also the pen and the pin, and they fit basically all the 91mm Victorinox Swiss Army knives, where you have a cutout for the Phillips or the corkscrew. There are some models that doesn't have that, but most all of them have either a Phillips or a corkscrew mounted, and on how to mount them there are many videos. It's easy to fit and then to mount them. So that much today for those splash anodized custom scales.